Yes, morning children. All these days we have studied about the how many types of vitamins and fibers and all. We have studied about that. Carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, then proteins. These are all things we have studied. Today we will study about the healthy cooking. Healthy cooking means what? Whenever you are cooking the vegetables, first you need to wash all the vegetables before you cut down and then cook it. Because what happens if you don't wash the vegetables, then what will happen? All the germs, whatever the germs are there or whatever the chemicals are sprinkled on the vegetables in the form, so that will be very harmful to our body. That is why we need to cut the vegetables before washing. Then afterwards you can cut the vegetables and cook it. And the cooking should not be overcooked. The whatever the rice or anything, first you have to wash it well with the water and then only you must cook it. But while cooking rice and all, you should not put any excess water in any food items. You should not put any excess water and then remove it. If you are doing it so, then whatever the vitamins are there, minerals are there, proteins are there, so that will be removed, that will be drained away from the water, through the water. So that is why you should not do like that. Excess water you should not put. Only little water, because if you don't put water, then also it will not cook properly. To get the steam, you need to put little water, and you should not become black. So that is why you have to put little water and get the steam. So while cooking also you need to put the lid on the container. Okay, then food should not be overcooked. Fruits and vegetables which are eaten raw be washed well in order to remove dust and germs that may be present on them. So that one. And preserving the food. See, outside when you are buying the jams, pickles and all, so you have to see the dates first. And because they will give the time duration also from 6 months before, 8 months before or 1 year before. So you have to see that date and then only take. Outside foods they add the preservatives. But in our house, whatever the household items are there, what do we add to preserve the food? We will be adding oil, salt and sweet. These things we add to preserve the food in the household things. But outside, when in the market, they add the preservatives to keep the food items in the long lasting. See, one type of preservation is there. That one you can keep the food items in the fridge also for 24 hours or 26 hours you can put the items in the fridge. So why do we use the fridge? Because the formation of germs in the food item will be slowed down because of the cold. Because of the cooling process, the germs will not be produced on the food items. That's why we are using the fridge. But if you take out from the fridge, you need to use it immediately, faster. Don't keep the food in the fridge for a long time. In the fridge also, it will get bad. So that right now pickles, you can see pickles, jam and sauce and papads also. What do they add? They add salt in this sweet, and in this pickles oil will be added. In the sauce also chilies are there. Chilies, salt and oil and some amount of sweet also. Isn't it? So food that is cooked cannot be preserved for a long time. It gets spoiled when it is exposed to air and moisture. Some people store cooked food in refrigerator, but fresh food is always good for your health. So however pickles, papad, jams and sauce and these things are there, you need for a long time. Add some preservatives. Salt and oil are used to preserve pickles. Sugar and some chemical preservatives are used in the jams and all, but it is not good for the health. Eating many number of times, these things are not the same. So next time when you go to the kitchen to know what's cooking, find out if it is cooking the right way. Remember, your health is in your hands and your health is your wealth. With this we have completed. What are the points we have covered? Let us see. Health food is that which contains all the nutrients in the right quantities. Carbohydrates, fats provide you with all the energy you need. Proteins help you grow well and also help to repair the cells and tissues of your body. Vitamins protect you from the diseases. Minerals regulate all the activities of your body. Balanced diet contains all the nutrients in the right amount. It is also important to take water and fiber rich in food. Healthy eating is possible only when healthy cooking is there. So you remember well, don't put more and more water and drain them. So in our next video, we'll be writing the new words and the question answers. Thank you.